Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, March 12th. Seeing some clear skies out there today. We will continue to see some tranquil and seasonable conditions as we go through tomorrow and Thursday as well, before seeing a return to rain across the area on Friday. Taking a look at our conditions from yesterday, we did see a mild day across the region. Temperatures were a little bit warmer than seasonable across the area, with temperatures in the mid-60s for many locations. Areas around Salisbury and to the north were near 60 degrees, with 63 here at Wallops. Lows this morning were mild as well, seeing temperatures here at Wallops and across the Tidewater in the 40s. Elsewhere, saw temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. As of 9 a.m., seeing temperatures in the lower to mid 40s across the region under sunny skies. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, seeing northwesterly winds across much of the column up to about 9,000 feet. Seeing winds at the surface running around 10 to 15 knots with some slightly higher gusts earlier this morning, and then just above the surface seeing those winds around 30 knots. And as we get to 9,000 feet, seeing those winds shift more west-northwesterly at 47 knots, and then increasing up to 93 knots at the 25,000 foot level. We do have high pressure and control across much of the eastern half of the United States this morning. We do have high pressure building into the area. That's allowing for some good subsidence, giving us some perfectly clear skies out there, as well as giving us a little bit of breezy winds from the northwest as that high pressure builds in. We'll see those winds weaken as we go throughout the afternoon hours. They should be peaking right now as we speak, seeing those wind gusts around 23 knots. Not expecting a wind advisory, as they are going to be decreasing just a bit as we go towards this afternoon, and then that high pressure will be settling over us as we go into tonight, providing continued clear skies as well as calm winds, so giving us some good radiational cooling as we go into tonight, and then seeing high pressure still in control as we go into tomorrow as well. So taking a look at our forecast charts, see that high pressure will continue to build in throughout the day. That pressure gradient is going to relax as we go towards the afternoon as high pressure inches closer to the mid-Atlantic. Then tonight, high pressure settling directly over the mid-Atlantic area with clear skies and calm winds expected. Like I said, we're going to be seeing the lows a little bit cooler tonight as we get that radiational cooling. Temperatures dropping near freezing across much of the Delmarva. So going into tomorrow morning, still going to be looking at those clear skies and calm winds as high pressure remains over the mid-Atlantic. And then looking at tomorrow afternoon, we'll start to see that high pressure start to drift a little eastward. That'll bring those winds a little bit more southwesterly, and then we'll start to see things warm up as we go into our Thursday and our Friday ahead of our next weather system. Then taking a look at Thursday, we're going to be seeing those southwesterly winds really ramp up as we go into the afternoon, possibly seeing a wind advisory late Thursday afternoon or evening as that front approaches, and that front will be giving us a chance of some showers and perhaps even a thunderstorm or two as we go into Friday. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, going to be seeing clear skies throughout the day today. Chance of seeing just a few near 4,000 feet possibly pop up between noon and 6 p.m., but any clouds that do pop up near that level are going to be very sparse and isolated. Seeing northwesterly winds around 10 to 15 knots and gusty right now, and that will begin to weaken as we go towards the afternoon hours, and then becoming 3 to 8 knots from the northwest after sunset, and then winds will become calm throughout the overnight hours into tomorrow morning. Seeing a low tomorrow of 32, we are expecting a high today of 51. Terminal forecast, not much to talk about there. Just going to be basically seeing clear skies throughout the day and into tonight. Possibly seeing a few cirrus clouds move in as we go after midnight tonight, and then it looks like we'll get some more cirrus moving in by mid-morning Wednesday, becoming scattered at 25,000 feet at that time. For tomorrow, going to be looking at mostly sunny skies early, then partly cloudy by the afternoon. It is going to be seasonable with a high of 53. Wednesday night, looking at partly to perhaps mostly cloudy skies, and it's going to be much more mild with a low down to 41. And Thursday, we'll start to see things warm up as we get some good southerly flow developing, expecting a high of 62 under partly to mostly cloudy skies, with those winds increasing late in the day on Thursday. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast today, going to be looking at seasonable conditions today and tomorrow in the lower to mid 50s. seeing that temperature drop near freezing due to that radiational cooling, and then we'll start to see those lows get much more mild as we go from Thursday morning and into the beginning of the weekend. We're going to be seeing southwesterly flow develop ahead of our next front on Thursday. That's going to give us some partly cloudy skies with a much warmer high of 62. And then Friday, that front will be approaching. Does look like it's going to impact the area starting at about noon on Friday. It is going to be much warmer highs in the mid-60s, perhaps even the upper 60s if that rain delays just a little bit, so we get a little bit more heat and before we get any showers developing. But it does look like with that good southerly flow, and we got a little bit of wind shear and some instability, can't rule out the possibility of seeing some scattered thunderstorms develop with that front on Friday, as well as the scattered shower activity. Mainly going to be starting around noon and then persisting through the afternoon. Then Saturday, it does look like that front is going to be, any cooled air behind that front is going to be a little bit slower to really move in. So Saturday, still going to be looking at seasonable temperatures under partly cloudy skies with a high in the mid-50s. And then Sunday, we're going to be having some cooler air move in as some cooler high pressure starts to settle over the area, only seeing temperatures into the mid to upper 40s. So it's going to be a little bit cool for this time of year on Sunday, and then Monday as high pressure establishes itself across the mid-Atlantic once again, seeing a return to more seasonable temperatures with a low in the mid to upper 30s and the high in the mid-50s. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.